General trend of different properties in the period and group. Atomic radius decreases along the periods and increases along the group. Ionization potential increases along the period and decreases along the group. Next one is electron negativity. It increases along the periods and decreases along the group. Then electron affinity. It also increases along the period and decreases along the group. Next is covalent character of halides. It increases along the period and decreases along the group. Next one is metallic character. It will decreases along the period and increases along the group. Next is oxidizing nature. It increases along the period and decreases along the group. Next one is reducing nature. It decreases along the group and increases along the group. Screening effect, you can see that it increases along the period and it also increases along the group. Next one is effective nature of charge. It also increases along the period and it will remain constant throughout the group. Next one is valency with respect to oxygen. It will increases along the period and it will also remain constant in the group. Next is basic character of hydrides. It will decrease along the period and it will increase for metals, and for non-metals it will decrease. Basic character of oxyacid, it will decrease along the periods and for non-metals in the group it will decrease and for metals it will increase. The strength of oxyacid will increase along the period and decrease along the group. Thermal stability of sulfide decreases along the group and increases along the period. Thermal stability of carbonates also decreases along the period and increases along the group. And also thermal stability of carbonates and nitrates also decreases along the period and increases along the group. Then density along the period, it first increases then decreases, and along the group it increases. Next one is electropositivity. It decreases along the period and increases along the group. This is the easiest way to learn all the different properties along the period and group.